I was in biology, and then I didn't really like academia. It was difficult. And so I decided that I wanted to be in data science because I still like the processes and like the challenges that data science brings. But then I actually transitioned into a product manager role. I loved communicating with people, communicating with stakeholders. I really loved evangelizing data and kind of data products. And then I became a product manager because of that. What advice I'd have for people who are experiencing imposter syndrome is first to like discuss it with people around you, your colleagues or your friends, because everyone feels it, but it's so nice to hear it from people that you trust that they're experiencing the same thing, and to know that it's not, you can overcome feeling like an imposter. It's just about experience, about seeing other people and hearing their experiences to realize that you have something to bring to the table. When I was younger, I could never be like, oh, this is my work without having it to be perfect. I felt like it needed to be perfect or I was a failure. And in terms of how that really impacted me in my career, it impacted me terribly. Knowing what I know now is that businesses really just want good enough. And to be good enough is all that you need to feel confident about. Yeah, and so and perfectionism is really, really tough to overcome. You don't have to be the best. You just need to be good enough, and you need to be good enough for yourself. What has authenticity done for me? It's knowing who you are. And then this is very difficult when you're young and you don't really know who you are, but knowing who you are makes you more confident in what you have to say and what you know you can bring to the table. The switch in my career, or in the way that I thought about my career, was knowing that I was enough, knowing myself and knowing what my strengths are and what my weaknesses are, but knowing that that was more than enough to do what I wanted to do. My biggest success so far is like just speaking up. Sometimes you see things and you see things in the business, or you see things that could be improved, and you think, oh, that's not my place to say that. But actually it is your place. Because you work in that position or because you're at that job, it means that you can improve on the processes or whatever, what have you. It's like that is your job. You can do that. It is completely in your space to be able to go and say, this is what I think we can do better.